my quick test drive here. I do have it in manual mode. Alignment feels perfect. Steering's nice and straight. I have 16,000 miles on the odometer. Now I do see the top light pop on right there. I just dropped the top and closed it, and it's saying check the top. I didn't see any issues with it, but it's gonna go back through service anyways, and they'll do their full inspection and check that out. Like I said, I am in manual mode, shifting. And if you really want those crisp shifts on these cars, if you push on the gas, let off, shift, and then push back on the gas, it'll be a lot smoother than if you never release your foot off the gas. So that's kind of the method that I like to use. But like I said, alignment's perfect. Car drives nice and straight. I don't hear any weird noises. Hitting on the brakes hard here in 3, 2, 1. Brakes are solid. They have a great bite to them. First here, like I said, I'll do that shift process that I like. Very nice. Put it back into auto. Just let the car do the shifts for me. Zero complaints with drivability. And then we'll do one round in automatic so you can see that. Camera tilting down, it's because those shifts, they hesitate, and that's normal. That's just how it is. So if you want to not have it do that, that's why I like to put it in manual mode. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at the full fender, hood and front bumper, as well as the headlights, that has PPF on it, paint protection film. So entire front clip, as well as the side mirrors. And then looking at the door handle, you have film protecting it and the door cup. And then you have the factory protection here on that very edge. And then you're gonna see some film on the inner edge here as well. So it stops like right at that very, very edge. All of that is PPF paint protection film. Main thing is that entire front clip is protected, as well as the headlights. Day code on the tire, 2019. Looking at the wheel itself, overall in great condition. A couple little scuffs here and there, like right there on that edge. Here on the calipers, bright red. You do have a couple little chips. Fender, nice and clean. Side mirror, that film, the line goes about right there and down, and all of that is protected. A-pillar looks good. Nice and clean. Looking at the door. Really good. Same here on the lower side. Now this emblem, that little front piece right there, broke. So it looks like it just kind of snagged on a rag or maybe something there. So that little piece right there is broke. Looking at the top, overall looks good. You do have a scratch right here of some sort. And I think it looks worse than it is. It's just something from the top. It's like the top rubs on that little spot there. And like I said, I think it's worse looking in camera because I don't feel like a big gash. Like that does not catch my nail. It's almost more surface scuff there. And then actually you do have film on that very edge protecting it as well. That little piece. Looking at the quarter. See a little tiny scuff there. 3 tiny little touch-up spots. If you can see that in the right light. 1, 2, 3. Got that wheel There's a little chip on the spoke. I don't see any rash. There's another chip right there on the edge. Date code on that tire. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Date code 2019. And right here, some sort of marking. Now you have film, like I said, on the edge, but there's some sort of marking right there. Not sure what that is. The rest of that looks good. Here on the headlights, you're gonna have a really light milkiness to them. It's very subtle, but the clarity overall is incredible. And keep in mind that it does have PPF on it, so it's really hard to tell if maybe the film is giving it that slight milky look. But here in camera you can tell it's beautiful, nice and clear, no yellowness or anything like that. Same here, looks good. Got the film on there protecting it. They did a really good job on that film. Looks beautiful. This front end is really clean. You're gonna see little bubbles in the film. That's what those are. It's very subtle. You do have a couple of rock chips on this trim piece. Let's check out underneath. You have a guard there protecting the bumper, but it looks like a little bit of rash got on that edge here. That guard's done a good job at protecting the rest of it though. And then this lower splitter, you're gonna see the rash. Now, keep in mind, you do not see that. Here's like a foot off the ground. You're not gonna see it. You gotta get way underneath. And then right here, that PPF looks like something kind of snagged it and lifted the film. And this guard looks like it was added after the fact because you do have some pretty heavy rash right there. And then it looked like it kind of chipped the edge off there. Looks good. Fender's nice and clean. Got the Sport 4S's. You do have a little gash right there on that spoke. A couple chips, but otherwise in good condition. Date code 2021 on this tire. Side mirror, got the film. A-pillar, that looks good. Beautiful door. Got the film protecting that little section. The door edge, it does have a couple chips on that very edge. That emblem looks good, so that's the piece that is missing, is the front part on the other side. Quarter looks good. A couple light scratches here and there. If you see those, they're very subtle. The glass here is perfect. The top of this looks good. Tail lights, nice and clean, super clear. Back bumper looks awesome. Now here on the diffuser, you do have a couple scratches right there, and then one right here. And the car's very low, so you can see on the edge of those blades, you do have a little bit of rash. Checking out these over here, those are actually pretty clean. If you get way under there, I see some, but from what I can tell there, that looks good. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay here, nice and clean. Looks really, really good. That glass is perfect. All right, looking at the iconic interior color combo here. Beautiful, beautiful. Non-smoker, smells really nice in here. Very clean and well preserved. Looking at that door panel, upper section looks good. No sticky button feel here. Little factory defect, I think, in the leather. A couple little markings. For the most part, that looks really nice. A few little markings on the trim. And looking at the felt, you do have the typical wear from getting in and out right there. And then the leather piece, you're gonna have the little scuffs and scratches there. Typical stains on the carpet, typical wear in that area. Looking at the bolster, overall in good condition here. Now you're going to see a lot of wear on that edge, very common. Now you can have a lot of that repaired and re-dyed to make it look a lot better though. Upper side looks good. Now the seat, you can see this little trim piece. It has rubbed through the paint right there. So I'd recommend, if you don't want any further damage, to maybe put PPF on that, or just don't have the seats all the way back. I imagine the person was pretty tall though, so that's why they had them all the way, but we have them up just enough so they don't touch. That one rubbed a little bit, but nothing like that side. Here on the steering wheel, a couple light markings. Those look good, buttons are nice and clean. This is all good. I don't really feel any sticky button anywhere. Upper side of the dash looks good here. Those vents are clean, got the carbon. Reverse looks awesome, auto's clean. Really, really nice interior, very well kept. Here on this door panel, looking at the leather on the upper section, looks amazing. None of that has a sticky feel to it. A couple little scuffs on it. That looks incredible. No sticky feel there. Looks like a couple water spots, little stains maybe, but bottom side, that looks good. Looks really nice. Looking at the trim, overall in great condition. Same with the jam and that little weather strip. Got the felt here. Now you do have some wear from getting in and out right there on the edge. Carpet's a couple little stains, but for the most part that's incredibly clean. Typical wrinkles on the edge. Now the camera's really washing out this color. It's actually a lot warmer. A couple of markings on the seat, just very subtle stuff. The rest of that though looks good. Got the carbon, looks amazing. Here on the glove box, you do have a scratch right there. It's in the leather. A little one here, and then I see one right there, a little snag. The rest of that looks good though. Scanning that upper side of the dash, I'm going to try to get close here, if you can see in there. Looks good though. And here on the top you got the Alcantara. That looks good. Alright, checking out the front here, you got a car cover. Looks like the plastic is partially on that still. Same with this, wrapped in plastic. And the bag is in here as well, right there. Here's your color. Overall in great condition, looks good. Hood struts work perfect. And then you have this little pouch, and then these are actually seat covers. So when you park it and you want to cover it up, you got the Ferrari seat cover, so that's really nice. We'll get that all cleaned up and packed away. Start. And then here on the glass, getting in that perfect lighting, this did illuminate, and that is a scratch on the surface. I know the camera's not going to zoom into that, but you can see a scratch there. Let's try to widen that. It's about that long though. and it does catch my nail, and a couple small ones around it. But now that we're in that perfect lighting, that kind of popped. Okay, I'm making this after I just filmed the video you just watched. The car went back through detail and they did a paint correction on it. And so looking at that paint, absolutely gorgeous. So if you saw a couple little micro scratches or anything like that, it looks like most of them will be gone. They just went through the car and paint corrected everything and just really tried to get it tip top. And sometimes that happens where I get a hold of it before they get a chance to finalize the product there. But just gonna walk through it and look. You do have PPF on that fuel door. It's just looking beautiful though. So not every imperfection is removed. They have stages of paint correction. And so this was just kind of a light paint correction and polish to get it just to pop a little bit more. But it looks amazing. I'm gonna kind of go back further now. So you can see the car as a whole. It looks really good.